Hello and assalamu alaikum my beautiful viewers. You're watching Madhiya's Food Odyssey and today's recipe is my signature MasterChef lamb shank Rogan Josh. Yes, this is the one which has been loved by John and Greg alike and it's been adored by them, my dad's favorite. So let's make it on Father's Day. The signature is the way it falls off the bone. The meat is absolutely unctuous, gnarly and buttery. It just melts in your mouth. It's heaven on plate. So let's start without any further ado. The first thing we need to do is to prepare the lamb shanks the way I've done it. I've already done a video on how to actually prepare the meat. The link is coming up on the right hand corner, so please have a look if you need to prepare the way I have done it. The first stage is to slightly marinate the meat so that all the spices and the flavors just get inside the meat before we cook it. This recipe is very forgiving. You can either cook it on the hob or bake it in the oven. I normally cook it as long as I can, for example 2.5 to 3 hours, and it just melts in your mouth. You can leave it to up to 3.5 hours depending on the size of the meat you're using, the cut you're using. So mine is normally done between this time and it's absolutely melting in your mouth. It's very tender, so please be careful when you take it out of the gravy. Now this is the secret mix for Rogan Josh. This will give it a distinct flavor, aroma and that beautiful yellowy red hue. I am using Kashmiri red chili powder. This is the one which will give it that distinct color and Rogan. It's not hot, it's very mild and it gives it a beautiful, lovely taste. Now to create that Rogan or that beautiful rich oily top on the Rogan Josh, I am using this super ghee, turmeric ghee addition. This is absolutely delicious and this will give that beautiful layer of ghee on top of the Rogan Josh one it stands. As you can see, look at that beautiful color coming out of that turmeric ghee that I used by super ghee. Now, when I made this dish on MasterChef, I served the Rogan Josh with these lovely crushed potatoes. These are basically chili potatoes, very South Indian in taste. I have also done a recipe for them, so the link is coming up on the right-hand corner. So should you like to make this one, please have a look at this, have a go. Try to serve it the way I have done it. I'm trying to recreate the same kind of presentation that I've done it in MasterChef. I'm using some micro herbs. These are easily available from Marks and Spencer's, or you can get it through the Ocado delivery as well, because Ocado does Marks and Spencer. I've also got these edible flowers. Again, they are from Marks and Spencer, easily available, but you can omit it if you do not want to use them. It's entirely up to you. Then I've got some pickled charred shallots and some mint chutney. So if in case you need the recipe for mint chutney the way I have made, it's exactly the same the way I've made in MasterChef. So please do let me know, and serve it with some gravy on the side. I couldn't find a picture, but there you go. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, please. Well, it just gives me the encouragement to create more and more beautiful dishes for my beautiful viewers. Till the next time, it's bye from me now. Take care.